Good morning. This is my oral presentation of English Level 3. Well, the topic of this presentation is the impact of Coca-Cola on the environment. I want to start by introducing myself, then I will give a brief explanation about the impact of Coca-Cola Colombia Company to environment, and to finish I will describe action to reduce this impact. Let's start. My name is Jorge Gutierrez. I study environment engineering. I live in Neiva, Willa. I love the English. Let's move to the main topic of this presentation. With a growing market, Coca-Cola arrived in 1927 and signed an exclusive contract with Postobon to bottle and distribute its drink. This contract lasted until 1936 when Coca-Cola established itself in the country which is on playing thanks to the work of four industrials from Antioquia. So let us consider some of the consequences of climate change. A certain Fisherman magazine contains made with polyethylene terephthalate PET. For this acronym in English constitutes one of the most used recycled elements in the world and product that take 700 years to degrade. According to the recent audit of the environment movement, bread free from plastic BFF for the second years and row. Coca-Cola is the company that pollutes the world of plastic the most each year. 320 million metric tons are produced, of which a large part they flood the rivers and sets across the planet. Let's consider another point. We must reduce the pollutants that affect the environment. You have the resources to implement the necessary measures in the factories and the carry of different investment projects, such as using a type of container of that PET. It's urgent that you start working on this usage now. This is what I wanted to share with you. Thank you and bye.